this video I'm just trying to show you how to use our retail point of sales. This is just our white versions. Login pin code is 1234. So you can just see this window. From here you can see back office and front office. The front office, where you do this, you are all billing activities and all the daily basis, and the back office you need to enter the purchase entry, all the other informations related to this inventory and reports and all this kind of that will be having the access only to the super admin and admin and all. And first of all we can just have a look at for the front end POS. So the shift opening, you can just enter some kind of amount what actually you are going to put in your wallet. For the time I'm just clicking on 0. Now it's open. This is a window where you do the billings. So I'm just typing the item name, or else you can just type the barcode, scan the barcode. Just click on pay, where you can just click on cash. The total amount is 50. Just click on save for the printout. If you are connected to your printer, it will automatically get the printout in. From here you can select and do this print item like this. Also you can make the billing. In case if you wanted to increase the quantity of this item, you just select the table and click this button. And from here you wanted to change the price. The selling price is 1.5, and here you wanted to change the price, then you will be having the options over here. Change the rate. So instead you can just make it 2. Now it is 1.5, we are making it 2. Price is changing. And in case if you wanted to delete, you select the row and click on delete. And if you wanted to decrease the quantity, here itself you can just adjust it. If it selected this alert for 0 negative stocks, in case of the stock is not available, you will be getting the warning for that once you click on these options. See, now you can see stock not available for the selected products. So these items, there is no stock in the inventory. And apart from that, if you have a specific serial number, like the customer is buying any electronics items or any that kind of items, suppose for the mobile and all, so in that case you can just, for example, the trimmer having some serial number for the warranty purpose or any kind of identifications, you can just select set serial number over here. So you can just fade it. And here you can select the customer if it is required, the customer name on the bill, then select it like this. If already the existing customer, you can just see the list of customer name over here, and you will be having options to search for contact number basis also, or else the name basis also. You can just search the customer name and select it from here. And in case of that customer is not available in that list, you can just click on add new and you can just enter. Here you have multiple options: retail cost, rate 1, rate 2, rate 3, rate 4, retail cost and wholesale cost. The customer basis, you can just set the price also. So whenever you are making the bill for the particular customers, the customers will get that their special rights, price and all. So these options, you can select which rate you wanted to. And in the products entry, there you will manage the rate for each customer. For the time being, I'm just closing it and selecting these options, adjusting. See, now this, and here you can have the quick settles. Quick settle means you will be having an options. You don't want to enter the amount which you collected. you wanted to take the printout, click on yes or no. Now, and one more options we have it. If suppose the credit customer details, or if they wanted to create a credit customer accounts, you can just create a credit customer account over here. And in case the receipt entry, the credit customer, salesman or commission agent, you can manage from here. Likewise, if any sales is happened and they wanted to make some returns, you can just choose these options for the sales return window. And the products entry, here you can just make entry the products. See, this is the item which I told you, the special rate for regular customers, rate 1, rate 2, rate 3, rate 4. Here you can mention the price for particular special customers. You can make more discounts. Like that, you can just set the price for each items. And while you're adding the products, you will be having the sales, the retail cost, and the minimum sale cost, and wholesale cost. Wholesale and retail rate, you can just mention it. And in case if you don't have any special rate for the customer, you can select these options, you can use it. So by default, it will take the retail cost. So this is the option for the products entry form, where you can add your products and update your price and everything. For example, if you have lots of items, suppose the vegetable items and all, you should update your price daily basis. So you can have options of bulk updates options. So once you click these forms, you will be getting all the list of items which are already available in your shops. You can select the category for the vegetables. Yes, for example, you can select that like that also. So only the vegetable items will come. So here you can just update the retail cost by clicking double click and make the price change. And the wholesale rate you can just mention. And maybe minimum sales rate, and if suppose the rate having customer basis, different rights will be there. And just click on updates. And you also will having options to import the list of products. If you have a list of products available in your Excel format, you can just import or export also. Here we are having two options, without multiple price list and with multiple prices. If you have a multiple price list like this, the rate 1, rate 2, rate 3 and wholesale cost, retail cost like that, then you can just use this with multiple price list. And if you're choosing this without multiple price list, then you will be having only the retail and wholesale rate only. This is just for the bill reprint. So the list of category name will be displayed here, and you can choose from here. You can choose it. If you don't know this item name, suppose you know the item name, so you can just type the item name spelling over here and you can just click on enter. If that series of item, you can select. Credit customer. Here you need to pay 8.40. So if you have cash, only 2 rupees. Sorry, 640. You wanted to make it from your credit card. Stuff you paid from this credit card. So likewise you can just split the payment and pay, and after that complete sales. In the same window you can also have quotation, so you can just find new quotation. So this is the window for making quotations. So let's create something. I just selected the customer name to whom we are making the quotations, and here you can see the by default the rate 2 it's came. So you can just have a look why it comes rate 2. Why? Because you selected the customer name Ajay Singh. The Ajay Singh which we already set, the Ajay Singh is should be considered with the rate type is 2. So I'll show you that later. I'm just clicking on save edit. So the printout it's come like this. I'm closing this. So I'll show you. See here you can see the list of quotations. The quotation came over here, and I'm just closing this. This is the main sale POS, and from here you can just recall that quotation list. This is the quotation list, and I'm just selecting it, and from the same quotation item it is loaded over here. And from here if you wanted to change the rate, you can change it. And now you can just close the sales. Clear. So I'll show you the rate type. By default it is selected. Say I'm just rate type, it is rate 2. Once I'm selecting it, it's automatically select that rate type.